But basically what I wanted to make was this like alumni advice bot, which has like, the point of it was like during like never graduate week in the self-directives discussion, people mentioned it. I don't know, it just came up and like it sounded like a fun thing to do, so I started making it. And like I initially in this app there was only like a front end, and I thought I'd handle the rest of it in Python. But then I was like, okay, maybe I'll do it in Node. And Node isn't, I mean, I was a little bit intimidated, but like it's fine. Like I just have like one API right now and no database. So and it kind of kind of works, but only kind of. And this is like the front end I put together, which doesn't work because there's no database, but it's pretty, so I'm showing you. And like here's the actual bot. Like if you're like ping or whatever you say, it'll it'll give you advice that I collected manually from Rachel and like Alex and Shay, and like whatever you say, like it'll just give you advice. So that's, see. Oh no, they're not getting tagged. I want them to get tagged. So like that's the bot right now. It's actually on ngrok, so if you go to this advice bot testing 2, you could probably ping it and get something, even though it's not hosted and it's only on my computer. And that's it. I'll just show my to-do list. Like I need to add a database, I need to host it somewhere. And then I thought I'd make the front end thing RC login so that people can log in. And then that's submit button doesn't work. Then I want like a scheduler because like actually I don't want it to be like you can ping it and get some advice. I want it to be like more like a fortune cookie daily advice thing, like alumni advice of the day type of thing. So like pairing bot or something, like where you can subscribe to it or unsubscribe, and for that I would need a database to store all of those things. Oh, and I could show you how zulip bots are like pretty easy, surprisingly easy to set up. Like I had to just go to personal settings, and then there's bots, and then create the bot, then give it a name and stuff, and then it gives you like this zulip RC file that you like kind of copy paste into here. And then there's like a zulip JS. The Python one is like better, but there's also like a JavaScript API. But this bot is called like an outgoing webhook, so it kind of calls your API whenever it gets a message, and then that API you just like deal with the message or like and respond with some content, like that's right over here. And right now there is actually no database, like all the advice is right over here. So I'm just like looping through, I mean picking one of a random and like sending it out. So that's it. It's kind of fun and surprisingly not crazy difficult. And because like I could call myself like a full stack developer now because I wrote something in Node. Yay. So yeah, tada.